This video is for ninth graders in October. Since you are not writing the paper, but you will in 10th grade, you have these little process journal entries to be thinking about the skills you're developing at ninth grade so that when you get to 10th grade and have to write the paper for your personal project in 10th grade, you have done some of that thinking and that reflection piece so that you're ready for 10th grade. So these are tiny little pieces instead of a big paper. So please take the time to be thoughtful and write a good response for this process journal entry. So hopefully you're done with number 7 and you're ready to move on to number 8. I want the ninth grade one. So process journal 8 is just thinking about why you're interested in this topic and what prior knowledge you have about this topic and what you hope to learn or gain from this topic of your project. So if you really end up liking this project topic you pick, you can use it again in 10th grade and expand on it. And that will make it easier for when you expand your project in 10th grade. So if you're learning guitar and this year you learn a couple chords and next year you expand your project to learn a more complex song, this would be a really good resource to have that you can come back and say, look at how much I've grown since October in ninth grade. One other piece of why we're adding this in is that at the end of the year, when you start doing that reflection piece, you're going to be reflecting on the impact that this project had on you or your learning, and how well you accomplished the success criteria that you set out for yourself when you wrote it up here in process journal number 5. So take some time to be thoughtful in what you put here, because you will come back to this when you do some reflection in probably February-ish when you are done with this whole project.